na. Ako pa.
Maawa ka naman.
Check. Hey, Alden, bago tayo mag-usap, ka muna.
Hey, let's go.
Photo daw. Ayoko maniwala. Okay. Oh! Nagkaiba tayo. Marami nagtatanong, Alden. Anong oras ka daw umuwi kagabi? Standby na daw.
Standby na.
Kasi nag-taping pa siya kahapon eh.
Taping? GMA Gala.
Oo.
Marami rin sa mga nandito ngayon ay galing sa GMA
Gala rin. Congratulations. Oh. Ano pa ni tatay ko? Sabi niya gano'n. Mas picture eh. Congratulations, BMPC, 40 years.
10 years na, golden na. Oo, nandito ka pa yan.
Saan na naman? Sa mundong ito?
Hindi,
Sana
sa
naman?
showbiz ang ibig. 10 years.
Kailangan pa. Hindi pa ako bayad sa kasal eh.
We would like to call the presence of Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Moril Eco. Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Moril Eco to kindly proceed to the backstage. Thank you.
Pwede na pa
Banter lang.
banter.
Kailan pag gusto itanong, ba't para iba yung aura mo ngayon, ang saya-saya mo?
Eh, syempre. Talaga.
Inspired ka ba?
Choice yun. Inspired tayo, syempre. Choice naman yun. Pero, ikaw ba?
Choice mo bang pumunta doon?
Oo naman.
Okay. Takot ako, baka may mga, nakataas wala ko sinasabi.
Support tayo. Support? Ako. Isa tayo.
Yo.
Isa tayo.
Nag-1 point lang naman lang hindi pa sila nasali.
Is that announced? You can say that? No. Abangan niyo po Hello, Love Again.
Score ng kalaban.
November 13. Nandiyan pa kita?
Oo, nakabook na eh. Bukas may taping ka ng Pulang Araw.
Tuesday.
Segway pa yan, Pulang Araw pa rin. Kasi matagal kang mawala eh.
Hindi. Guesting.
Mag-guesting ka?
Promo.
Saan? Ikaw na busy. Go. Daming pera ni Alden Richards. Sabi ni Honorable Lan, pambayad po ng overtime. Kumain na po ba kayo? Huwag kayong mag-alala, nakausap ka na si Alden. Siya na daw po bahala. Palakpakan niyo po si Alden Richards. Maraming salamat.
Jollibee ba yan?
Alright, we'll be in very soon. When these remarkable faces and personalities were being shown, people here can't stop applauding. And it is really heartbreaking to see how many of our colleagues in the entertainment industry had left us in just a span of a year.
Totoo yan, Robbie. Parang kailan lang. Doon mo yung gagamitin yung salitang yun. Parang kailan lang andyan sila. Pero nakapag-iwan naman sila ng kanilang mga legacy.
That's true. And to some of us, they are not just...
This first special award for the evening is dedicated to her name, the Ethel Ramos Dean's Lister Award. Ay isa rin kilalang entertainment writer.
Ladies and gentlemen, PMPC is proud to give the first ever special award for the Ethel Ramos Dean's Lister to Mr. Ronald Constantino.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC are PMPC past presidents Fernando Guzman, Roldan Castro, Melba Llanera, Julie Bonifacio, and Romel Gonzalez, together with Ms. Farah Ramos, representing the family of Manay Ethel.
Good evening po. I am Nestor Cuartero. I am very happy to receive this award on behalf of a very good friend and my former columnist in Tempo, Mr. Ronald K. Constantino. I am also very honored.
Congratulations once again. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give Manay Ethel a big round of applause. I'm sure she has the best seat in the house, and she is beaming with joy right now. And congratulations once again to Mr. Ronald Constantino. Both Sirs Nestor Cuartero and Ronald Constantino are inspiration and mentors to the young writers who want to make it big in this industry, especially in journalism. Which brings us to our next categories.
Yun, sakto. Hindi talaga pinalagpas ng PMPC ang galing ng lahat ng uri ng ating mga filmmakers. Alam natin may indie at may mainstream. Pero kung saan ito ang mahusay short film directors, tawag.
For Short Movie Director of the Year, LJ Castro Deldoc and Drew Espinosilla, Fish Be With You. Janela Kyla de la Peña, Carabao Noises. Luke Del Castillo, Boy. Diana Galang, Tara, Takbo. Jan Christian Garcia, Katulad Mo Rin Ako. Van Leonard Pascual, Merry Go Round, Merry Go Round. Gabi Ramos, Tokador ni Tata. And Kayla Tordillo, Old Times. And the star goes to Van Leonard Pascual, Merry Go Round, Merry Go Round. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Joey Sarmiento.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards para sa karangalang ito. Ito ay alay ko para sa aking mga kaibigan, guro, at mga manggagawa ng mga pelikulang Pilipino. Mabuhay po kayo at patuloy lang sa paggawa ng makabuluhang sine. Maraming salamat.
Great job, Direk Van. Actually, Alvin and I were just talking. Ang bata! Bata niya, Direk, no?
Yung mga filmmakers ngayon, kaya bata ng kabata talaga.
It's either ang bata niya or tandaan na natin.
Tanda na tayo.
Okay. Now let's move on and reveal who among the short movie of the year nominees reigns supreme.
For Short Movie of the Year, Bilog ang Bulan, Dark Media Creations. Boy, Talahib Films and Blue Lights Production. Katulad Mo Rin Ako, Rebel Films. Merry Go Round, Sting Productions. Old Times, Half Full Studios. Carabao Noises, Blue Dreams Productions. Tara, Takbo, Mikas sa Pelikula. And Tukador ni Tatang, Rems Entertainment Production. And the star goes to Carabao Noises, Blue Dreams Productions.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Erlinda Rapadas.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Blue Dreams Production, nais po naming magpasalamat sa officers, board of directors at members of PMPC para po sa parangal na ito. Napakalaking bagay po nito para sa aming mga nagsisimula pa lamang sa industriya ng pagpipelikula. Ang amin pong short film ay para sa ating mga magsasaka. Nawa po ay patuloy po natin silang samahan at suportahan sa pakikipaglaban para sa kanilang mga karapatan. Muli po, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Please welcome our next presenters of the night, President and owner of Bentria Productions, Engineer Benjamin Austria, together with the President and CEO of Eco Mixed Construction and Development Corporation, Ms. Moril Eco.
Congratulations to our male face of the night.